come to my YouTube channel. Today me I go behave like a man. Cause I'm gonna take some girl as it and tell them say me light them off and something. But it's a prank because I don't do girls. Well, I think so. Anyway, anyways, people make a prank some nice clean girl on my contact because I only nice clean girl on my contact, right? It's a she. I'm gonna tell them say yo, my like look on my swag. Look on my swag. Right the sound, I'm depend on my car to bombard and lean up. Like I tell the girl them say yo, the gangali want you know. The gangali want a piece of that. And I see if the girls in my contact are gay. So people just stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification to be notified when I upload. And just go on with myself because I know it's go funny and bait things. I'm there, baby. So you talk so.
Me not trying to pick up your voice and that's why.
Oh my so you're good. What you deal with? I'm a sister phone me use a call you cause me not no credit on my phone and she have unlimited so me take your call you.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. But I sit in a rest on my mind still and I say me that ask you because me no want to make with friendship weird, you know, me just want to ask you. But me no want to make your friendship weird, you know.
What do you mean?
Because it weird.
What is weird?
You remember me tell us I want tell you something but want tell you no shit, me just feel weird. Wait, no Jada. And me tell you say me want ask him, me want tell you in person. I sitting there. I'm nervous to tell a girl.
Something for do with what? Oh.
Remember you say you like girls?
Me?
Yeah.
I was just kidding.
Well, me never that joke. Me like you.
Oh my god.
Yeah, me like your body. You just shape good and nice, bad.
Okay. Macaulay is falling.
Wow. Me love your body. Realize me ever post you, me always a post you out of everybody else.
Oh my god.
So you say about that?
But you trying to fool me? Do not. Try.
What you mean? Remember me I tell you say me have something to tell you from what day?
Yeah, but suppose you change it up.
Change what? Brother?
No. Marky.
What you mean by? So you say me and a type of girl?
Me no believe you.
What me can do to prove it?
I don't know.
Me can come see it one of them day you can come over me yard. Why you think me ever compliment you?
Eh?
Why you think me ever compliment you?
What you say?
So why you think me ever compliment you?
Me no know.
Yeah, come like how your body look, you just Jesus.
God.
If you don't want to start nothing, we don't have to start nothing. We just want to express my feelings towards you. So how you feel about that?
I feel shocked.
Have you what?
Shocked.
It look like you feeling no mutual still, but that governs still.
It's oh my god. Marky, this is unbelievable. We can't believe it.
What you mean I can't believe?
We just can't put one together to believe it.
So you say feeling no mutual?
Me no look for you that way there.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm a G. Charles, I'm a friend. I don't look for you. Never ever.
Alright. No feel no way about it.
So me alone to tell this too?
Yeah, cause you me feel so too. Me not gonna tell nobody else. Now you more express myself too.
I think it's I don't know, I think it's your best friend.
No, me not tell her them something cause she not depend them something. what you say?
I'm not saying nothing. I'm lost of words.
You lost of words.
Yes.
So I go still. So I go just drop it right as and just behave like nothing no go on.
Eh?
I go just drop it right as and behave like nothing no go on.
Alright.
You want to tell us something else still?
What that?
It's a prank!
Me know.
Period! Boy, you know. Move from here, sir.
Me know. You hear me say it here first. That if a fool that try fool me, stop it.
Stop it.
Say one.
Love you bad. Me love you bad.
Love it too.
Big up yourself on the channel.
What? Why you doing?
Big up yourself on the channel, girl.
Big up me. Right true.
Right, that's so. Later.
Me eat you for this.
Me love you. Right, that's so. Later.
Yeah.
Right, that's so. Next person for call. Chin. Tappy. She not gonna remember me. Let me say look a dark skin girl. Me should remember. Me try. Hello?
Hello?
A Chin this? Chin, right?
Mm-hmm.
Me know this I gonna come off as weird. You remember the little dark skin girl who made it down a top deck? I did let me have phone, your iPhone to take picture.
Who is this? I'm not sure.
My name Michaela.
Mm-hmm.
You remember me?
Yeah.
I get a number from one of your cousins them.
Who that?
One girl named Michaela. What's your name? Michaela?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me the one tell her say from them time me did like you. But me know why you take it different. Me not have to say nothing about it or nothing, but me like you from them time then. Yeah. So you have to say about that.
I'm not for sure.
So you don't feel nothing towards me.
No. Mm-hmm.
Why?
What do you mean?
I say why? Me any type.
What?
Me ask if me any type.
What do you mean?
Because me like you, you just little and short and just sexy. Me I tell you, say you just look good and me I say, ja. So me just the one tell you that still, cause you just nice. Me I tell you, and you look like one girl with us, you know, ambitious. And you just have on your lace wig, your nails done and sitting there. Me like them type of girl and them something there, you always So I had a crush on you since that day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you know nothing to say about it.
No, I'll make a sense.
I don't know. You was sleeping or something?
No, not really.
Oh. So you know nothing to say about it, Chin?
No?
I'm not even get your full name. What is your right name?
You can just call me Chin.
Huh?
You can just call me Chin.
Can just call it Chin. So that's supposed to mean like nothing further can happen towards this relationship because you don't even want me to know your real full name.
What relationship? Oh, yeah, that one.
Come here tell you something like you, so you're not supposed to feel that type of way. Say, oh, I like you and I admire you.
No.
So you have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
So you just run with the boy, man. Run with the boy. I be a earth man come for earth, you know. So if you have a woman in your life.
I've couple already still.
Yeah. Yes, sir?
I've couple already.
Like girlfriend or just woman in general?
Both.
But so me can be one of your girlfriend them, man.
I'm good.
You know, want a poor girl.
No.
But me can go for banana and dashing for you. You can't live on Starbucks and KFC. You can't live on Popeyes. You want some banana and dumpling.
No, I don't want to do it this.
Huh?
I want to do it this.
What you mean? No man, me see no for when me have your number in my phone. That's a lie down in my phone, so.
Okay.
Me get a new number, I just lie down in my phone. Cause I have the old one number, I'm afraid. Them time, you know, so them time when I first meet them, I did little. I never know how me feel, how this feeling does come up for you. Some of that try like get it away, you know. But it does come up back and I say, yo, I need to call you.
Okay.
I can't believe I say you know want a broke girl. Suppose me just get up a morning and rich. Where you gonna do? Come back to me?
No, I'm good.
Make sure you say you're good enough. Hello?
Huh?
Make sure you're good enough.
Yeah. I got man.
I want to tell you something.
Mm-hmm.
It's a prank, Shanti. Tell her. Hi, Chin.
Me in the background a lot.
Shanti, man.
Yeah,
Chum, man.
Bye.
Big up yourself, Chin.
man, whatever.
Alright. So people are calling a girl named Chantel. What nice brown in this still. And how she feel about me? Hi.
Hello?
Yo, Chantel.
Yo.
I'm Maki this a calling.
Oh, Wambi?
There, man. You good?
Yeah.
And something you want to tell us still, because I have a number in my phone long time. I get a number long time and I say, yo, I da shout to ask you if you're good, but I have something different if you ask you.
Why not know?
Tell us I'm into girls and you da be one of the girl them me, you know, I da want to start something with. Well, you make me feel like say yo me into girls. Yeah.
Real?
So you feel about that?
Yeah, because me into girls, so I like girls. Me I like girls, so.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So you say we could have
But
started
if
something? Eh?
Yeah, because I like it from a long time. Like, when we used to see at tavern, yeah, I used to like young girls, yeah. I like it from a long time. But I never know you that, you know, look my way. You never know you into girls. You see it, so I never really come put in words to you like that.
See, you never have my number or nothing. You could have just text me. Answer to me, sorry.
I never, no, I didn't have it, but then never gave a text you. But me I say, it can feel weird because I don't think you're into girls, I know. See?
But I just call and I tell you, say, I like you still, and I start one relationship with you because I like how your body, you know, so sexy and just neat. I'm ask around about you, is it, and I hear say you're a good girl and something, so I know say you're not going to diss the program. So you feel about that?
Yeah, girl. Girl, you're nice, no? Girl, I love your lips. All right now. Right now, I'm going to kiss them. You're just dark and nice.
I never know say you feel that way. Because I see him more and I say, oh, Ray. I say to my friend Kiki, say, yo, I talk to the cat here, you know. And then Kiki, I laugh because my friend them know some into girls too, you know, but that's I tell her still. This is something can go on.
Yeah, girl, that can work. I don't have no problem. Girl, you're nice, boss. You're nice, boss. Bye.
Alright.
Yeah.
But one thing we have to tell her still. It's a prank.
You know, man.
What? I want prank still, but we can talk after the video.
Yeah, super. Hey, stop it.
I want prank still. Sorry if you expose you like that, yeah.
But I like it for you.
Yeah, me say I like it too still. You look good, man. Yeah. Later here.
Alright, take care.
Yeah. You know, the girls I'm have a buzz, a deaf. I want to them, man. People, I don't know. I enjoy doing the prank out because I never know say literally some of the girl them have feelings or you know, even though I not get to get contacted with some of the person them who they want to get contact with, but as a life go. People don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to be notified when I post another video. And people just enjoy themselves from my channel. See if I get over 100 likes on the video. Yeah? If I get over 100 likes, I gonna do a part 2. So people just don't supposed to do my love on the bar right there. So bye. Any almost a boy, me that be the girl and God, I'm going to go in there. Magic, my girl, I'm on time to the job.